Guys, welcome back. We have Monique here today. If you don't know her, then you need to check out my vlog channel. Right. Yes. So today I'm not even sure what I'm going to call this video, but
we're going to call it How to Be a Wife.
For a change, I wanted to talk through it a bit, and she's going out. You guys know this portion already. I'm just filling in her brows. She's going on a movie date, so she want to come out today and slay and look all, you know. Guys, I have absolutely no clue what happened to when I was adding the transition color, so I totally lost that footage. It basically fast forwarded to this portion where I already cut the crease, and if you need to see a detailed cut crease tutorial, then I'll link one down below, you know, just to make up for that loss. But as you can see, I proceeded to adding some really light shadow. It shows up as if it's white, but it was actually a really light nude from the Notebook palette from Beauti Cosmetics. And on the outer portion, I added a very warm tone, kind of reddish eyeshadow from the same palette to just give it this nice graduation. I then went into a lighter orangey shade to give it some yeah, even more graduation, you know, make everything look a little bit more interesting. And I just took my time and blended and fused everything together. After doing this, I proceeded to taking my black Radiance liner, and this is what I used to make the wing today. Took my time. I did so. I felt as if I wanted to add some glitter. That's what I did. I used my Sistar Cosmetics glitter adhesive, which is so easy to work with, and I went over top of that with some, like, you know, like a light corally glitter from my Under the Sea Beauti Cosmetics palette. I'm actually going to be using Black Radiance Color Perfect Liquid Makeup. This is their foundation today for her foundation. So I have these two colors here, so I'm gonna see which one, you know, goes with her clothes. So I'm leaning towards this shade though. This is Rum Spice. So Rum Spice, and I have Bisque, but I feel like Rum Spice is what I'm gonna try out first. So look expensive on a budget, so this looks like a shade darker, so I'm gonna go in with a bit of Bisque. So I combine the two of them, and it's okay if it's a tad darker, because once you highlight, everything will balance out, so don't worry. And see, you get a pretty nice coverage. So I really like that. Yes, and it's in the evening time now, so you know, time's a bit cooler. Put the thing upon me, thing whine upon me, thing. So I say she whine upon me, yeah. Man, I give it to her one time, say she want it one time. Now, I know I explained the whole foundation portion, but I didn't get a chance to do so for the concealer. I'm using a Sistar Cosmetics concealer today. It's in the shade Golden Beige, and yeah, I took my time, blended that out, applied it to all the high points of her face. Yeah, I just really wanted to come back and tell you guys that in case you were wondering, and I'll definitely try my best to go ahead and list all products used for this tutorial. I went in with some Alright guys, so I just finished contouring. Now it's time to set everything. You know, we have to contour because this just defines the face even more, and you know, make everything look so chiseled. So I'm just going back under the eye to ensure there's no creasing, and then I set it with some banana powder. So of course I'm going to go in with my Black Radiance contour palette, and I'm going in with the Sculpt, that's the middle one, to set the contour, because you remember you have to set all the areas you applied liquids or cream to. So of course I'm just gonna bake for just a second. I'm not going to let it stay for too long. I want it to last, so this is just an extra step. It's not a must that you can take. So now the face is looking super snatched. I'm just gonna go in and dust away powder I just used to bake. Now it's time to spray the face, and this is the part that just adds to the dewiness and the glowiness, all of that good stuff, you know, the expensive and wealthy look. Close. So now I'm just patting that into the skin, so it can just help to make it kind of absorb it a little quicker. And this just restore everything, making it look more skin-like and not very powdery. And it also helps with when the illuminator is added, so it looks like the glow is coming from within and it's not just sitting on top of the skin. So when she smiles, it kind of helps with just, you know, that nice little, that pop, you know, it just really adds to the whole appearance. So I really love how this looks. So you smile and just add it to the apples of the cheeks. Guys, so time for the lippy. Today I'm using my Gaelle liquid lipstick. This is like, you know, this is like a pinky lipstick. It's in the shade Jeani. And these are really long lasting. I really love my Gaelle lipstick.
Made in Japan. We changing style with the girl system warning. System warning. Me a not gonna waste time. Me a stand in the city, me a can't in a baseline, live line. Can't understand why I waste time. Your body nice, fuck up on me, I waste line. I mean a bad man, they want to say. I mean a bad.
To apply some mascara to just, you know, accentuate the eyes even more. Alright guys, so I'm all done with this look.
I'm feeling like a wife.
See here. What you say? You're feeling like a what?
A real wife. A lipstick got take off.
Yeah man, the lips are really nice. Shout out to Gaelle Cosmetics. I really love this cut crease as well. Yeah, let me know what you guys think down below in the comments section. Don't forget to give this video a thumb up. And that's pretty much it for today. Bye guys.
Bye.
We say I go look for your husband now.
Yes.
Alright.